In a small Ohio town, Jacob spent over 2 decades working at a tire factory. His daily routine was unchanging. Up at 4:30 a.m., black coffee, and clocked in by 6. He was an ordinary man, without fame or a college degree, often overlooked. Yet Jacob harbored a lifelong dream, to become a pilot. This aspiration, born in his childhood, had been set aside as life intervened. He married young, started a family, and took the first available job to support them, leaving his dream of flying to gather dust in his mind's attic. But on his 45th birthday, everything shifted. His youngest daughter gave him a card with a simple, profound message. "Dad, don't forget to chase the sky." Those words ignited a spark within him. He retrieved his old aviation books, enrolled in night classes, and dedicated himself to studying while others slept. He faced ridicule and doubt. People told him he was too old and that it's too late. Jacob, however, ignored them. He failed his pilot's written test twice, but returned with renewed determination each time. Every spare dollar went towards flying lessons, and he drove 3 hours to the nearest airfield on weekends, undeterred by rain, snow, or exhaustion. At 49, Jacob successfully passed his pilot's test. At 50, he completed his first solo flight. By 51, he began offering free flights to underprivileged children in his town, aiming to demonstrate that dreams are ageless. Jacob's journey serves as a powerful reminder. Age, past failures, or the doubts of others are irrelevant. What truly matters is an unwavering belief in your dream and the willingness to fight for it. The sky, as Jacob proved, is not a limit. It's merely the starting point. So if you're holding on to a dream, believing it's too late, remember Jacob and chase the sky.